Question: solve in real numbers. The equation is 2 power sine square x plus 5 times 2 power cos square x minus 7 is equals to 0. Solution: the given equation is 2 power sine square x plus 5 times 2 power cos square x minus 7 is equal to 0. So convert this equation into a single variable. For that one, you write this sine square x as 1 minus cos square x plus 5 times 2 power cos square x minus 7 is equals to 0. This implies this is nothing but 2 over 2 power cos square x plus 5 times 2 power cos square x minus 7 is equals to 0. Let 2 power cos square x is equals to t. That implies with the substitution the equation becomes 2 by t plus 5t minus 7 is equals to 0. That implies 5t square minus 7t plus 2 is equals to 0. This implies if we factorize it, 5t square minus 5t minus 2t plus 2 is equals to 0. This implies 5t into t plus 1, sorry, t minus 1 minus 2 into t minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies t minus 1 into 5t minus 2 is equals to 0. That implies t is equals to 1 comma t is equals to 2 by 5. So what is t here? We consider t as 2 power cos square x. Therefore, if t is equals to 1, that is t is what? 2 power cos square x is equals to 1. Then 2 power cos square x is equals to 2 power 0. That implies cos square x equals to 0. This implies cos x equal to 0. So what is the general solution for cos x equal to 0? X equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. This is the general solution where n is an integer. So this is the one set of solution. Next, if t is equals to 2 over 5, 2 power cos square x is equals to 2 over 5. Now to solve this one, apply log base e both sides. That is log base e 2 power cos square x is equals to log base e 2 over 5. This implies cos square x log base e2 is equals to log base e2 minus log base e5. That implies cos square x is equals to log base e2 minus log base e5 over log base e2. So which is equal to cos square x is equals to 1 minus log 5 base 2. So but we know that log base 2 4 is equals to 2. That implies log base 2 5 must be greater than 2. So this log base 2 5, this quantity must be greater than 2. Means this total quantity is what? If log base 2 5 is greater than 2, therefore 1 minus log base 2 5 must be less than 0. So cos square x is equals to negative is not possible. That implies here cos square x is less than 0 is not possible, therefore it is rejected. Here t is equals to 2 by 5 is rejected. That implies t is equals to 2 by 5 is rejected. Therefore the final solution is what? Only x equal to odd multiples of pi by 2 is the final solution.